You'll have to check out Singer's website for all the available accessory feet available for the Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. So how do you take the feet on and off? So there are a couple feet that come with this machine. I've pulled out the zipper foot and even the button sew-on foot to show you. So first off, there's a little lever on the back side. If you ever accidentally bump this, well, the foot drops off. So this is reattached by, you can kind of see this little kind of a claw, like a little shape that's going to come down and sit along the bar of the foot. So you really just position this underneath the presser foot, and then as you lower it, it will click into place. Now if it doesn't click, usually what you need is pull the foot towards you, and then it clicks on, and now it's attached. So you touch to release, and then move it into position. So if I'm going to do the zipper foot, remember this is a foot that actually has two sides. You can attach it on the left side or the right side, depending on which side of the zipper you are coming down, which side the teeth are on. So I'm going to just kind of set it underneath, and again, if it clicks on, great. If not, just move it probably towards you a little bit until it attaches to the foot. Drop it off and change. That's how easy feet are to get on and off with a Singer sewing machine.